Did you know that over 25 million people worldwide are learning to code online right now? Learning to code is one of the most sought-after skills today. But here's the question many beginners ask. Are online coding courses enough to get a job? Let's dive into this topic and find out. First, let's talk about the benefits of online coding platforms. They offer flexibility, affordability, and access to a wide range of resources. You can learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world. Platforms like FutureLearn, Edureka, or even YouTube tutorials make it easy for anyone to start their coding journey. Second, we need to address the limitations of online learning. While these platforms provide great theory and foundational knowledge, they often lack real-world project experience. Many employers look for candidates who can solve practical problems, not just memorize syntax. This means you'll need more than just an online certificate to impress recruiters. So networking and building a portfolio are crucial. Online courses can teach you how to code, but they don't always connect you with industry professionals or help you showcase your work. Building a strong portfolio with real projects and collaborating with others in the tech community can significantly boost your chances of landing a job. We must deal with an important element, the degree. It's important to consider the role of formal qualifications in some countries. In places like France, having an official diploma can be crucial when applying for jobs. While a strong portfolio and practical experience are valuable, many employers still require proof of education through recognized certifications or degrees. This means that combining online learning with accredited programs might be necessary to meet local job market expectations. It's essential to research the specific requirements in your region and ensure your chosen learning path aligns with those needs. Before to finish this video, let's talk about which programming languages are most appreciated by employers. Depending on the field you want to work in, certain skills will be more valuable than others. For web development, languages like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and frameworks such as React or Angular are highly sought after. In data science and machine learning, Python is king due to its versatility and powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow. If you're interested in software development, knowing Java or C can open many doors since they are widely used in enterprise applications. Python deserves special mention because it is versatile and applicable across multiple domains. Employers in industries like finance, marketing, and e-commerce value Python for tasks ranging from automation to data analysis. Even if your primary focus isn't programming, having basic coding skills can make you stand out in today's competitive job market. Ultimately, starting your coding journey on online platforms is a great first step. Whether you choose to specialize in one area or develop a broad skill set, any coding knowledge you gain will enhance your employability. Remember, practical experience combined with relevant skills is what employers truly look for. In conclusion, online coding courses provide an excellent foundation for learning, but they should be seen as just the beginning of your journey. To truly succeed in the job market, you need to combine theory with practical experience, create a strong portfolio, and consider obtaining recognized qualifications if needed in your region. Additionally, focusing on languages that employers value, such as Python for its versatility or JavaScript for web development, can give you a competitive edge. Remember, whether you're building projects, networking with professionals, or earning certifications, every step counts towards showcasing your skills to future employers. The key is to stay proactive and adapt to industry demands. If you're ready to take your coding skills to the next level, visit E-newcademy.com. There, you'll find high-quality courses tailored by trusted partners who understand both the theoretical and practical aspects of coding. Start building your path to success today.